Neurologists and psychologists agree creativity is one of our best defenses against stress. But when we treat art as an elite club, we lose our natural right to create. How often do we say, "Oh, I'm no artist, I couldn't draw a stick man to save my life"? If that's you, I have a secret to share, something you may have missed. You are already an artist. You're an artist when you feel the crunch of the season beneath your feet and observe its color, and find yourself exhaling every last worry into the morning mist without even knowing why. You're an artist when you stop to greet a blossom, or when you find yourself lost in the frantic golden work of a honeybee. We think art starts with the brush, but it actually begins with simply noticing the dappled light dancing across a surface or filtering through the leaves. Your gift then is to experience life through your brush, not to worry about perfection, just to share in the wonder of it all. Because when we're involved in this kind of creation, we feel more alive. Simply looking at something beautiful releases dopamine, and this staves off mental decline. It also encourages gratitude and a sense of awe, and awe is the doorway to gratitude, one of the main pillars of health and longevity. This is your reticular activation system at work, the RAS, priming your brain to find light in the dark. Every time you feel that sense of wonder at the rhythm of the world, the muse has already found you. You don't need a permit, you don't need a degree, you don't need a title. You're already doing it. You are already an artist. Now go and share that gift with the rest of the world. If this resonated with you, or you think that someone might benefit from this video, please feel free to share it. Until the next time, friends. Hi, my name is Crystal Beshara, and I've been an artist and professional watercolor instructor for over 25 years. And if you have been following me for a while, you know that I offer all sorts of free tips and tricks, as well as a selection of online courses through my website where you can learn step by step with me. Please consider subscribing, and I hope you enjoy this new video. And if you're ready to build more confidence in your own watercolor journey, I've curated a free playlist of introductory watercolor videos right here on my channel. I'm leaving the link right here on the screen, or find it in the description box below this video.